We're in the hall bathroom in the coastal farmhouse, and this bathroom serves 2 bedrooms and the guests that come into the home. As you can see, we use the same tile and color scheme in this bathroom as we did with the master, and again tying in the Calcutta countertop into this bathroom. Now there's a very specific reason for that. This is not the place that you let your kids choose their color of tile in their walls, because you're creating a brand with a vacation rental. And when you create a brand, you want to bring in consistency throughout the entire house. So this is a really clean look. We really thought that it served the house well, and there's some details that we made decisions on, and I want to explain to you the reason we did what we did. First of all, in this situation, we kept the old tub. Now, it's in pretty rough shape yet because we still have to get it enameled, but we chose to keep the bathtub because this is a vacation rental for families, and families have kids. And kids get dirty at the ocean and they take baths. And so we thought it would be really important that we had a bathtub for the family here. Also, looking at the countertop, we did the same countertop in the Calcutta with a less expensive model from Lowe's. We did the same color, just a different shape of the mirror. We did a larger version of the same light fixture. And because we had more space here, I tied in some elements that brought the wood of nature into this bathroom. So this is a particular piece of artwork that I love. I like the wood on the dock. It's very peaceful. And I chose this lantern, which ties in really well with it. So we have our pop of color with green. I made sure it had some height and it was real clean so that you can still put things on the counter. I brought in the wood with the lantern to go with the photo, and we have the same bamboo shades that we were showing you in the previous bathroom.